Hello everyone, welcome to Aperture Diaries. Today I will continue the same topic which I have discussed in my previous video. So further I do anything, let's get started. Today I will try to change the color from black to any other color, and then I will show you if you have like some kind of red, yellow, blue, this kind of color if you have, and if you want to change that color, how you can do that using hue saturation. So first let me talk about the black one. So here I will going to change this black dress color, not the inner item, only the outside black suit. So how we can do that? First let me duplicate the background layer by pressing Ctrl J from my keyboard. So duplicate layer has been created. Now I need to select that black dress. You can use quick selection tool, but I will show you some different method today. So first you have to select the first layer, that the copied layer. Then you have to go select, then color range. From color range you have to choose shadow. In this section the white portion means the selected portion. That means you can see in this photo the full dress has been selected along with eyes and hair, because eyes and hair both area as black color. So you can increase or reduce by sliding this bar. So if I increase, you can see this portion is also getting selected, but I don't want this. So let me reduce this thing. You can see the whole black portion has been selected. Now click OK. You can see the full black portion has been selected. Now using quick selection tool and minus from here, you can unselect the eyes, hair, lips and this hair, sorry. So let me unselect this portion. Yeah, that's fine. Also I need to unselect this inner item. So let me unselect that one. You can zoom in, then unselect. If you select preciously, then only it will look properly. So I think it's getting selected properly. Now you just need to create a solid color adjustment layer, how you see in my previous video. So let me do that. Solid color adjustment layer. Now I am choosing some random color. You can see the marks has been created here. Okay, so anytime you can change the selection. For example, you can see here the selection is not properly. So let me choose a black, and you can toggle between white and black, then simply paint it with the white color. It's not a white color as it's a mark, so it only work with the black and white. So if we choose white, that means that portion will be selected, and if you choose black, so that means that portion is not selected. So let me paint it. It's totally up to you how preciously you can select. Okay, now in my previous video you see, once we change the white color, we always use multiply from here, but here it won't work. Why it's not working? Let me show you. Multiply means the combination of two color. So everyone knows, I hope so, yellow and blue, if we mix both the color, then it will create a green. Let me show you. So first let me take a green color, and now I will take a yellow. If I multiply these two layers, it will create green. You can see. So multiply means simply mix up both the color. In this scenario, if we choose multiply from here, it will mix black and this color. For example, let me choose yellow. Here you can see it's a ochre yellow. It's a mix of yellow and black. In this scenario, you don't need to choose any blending option. You simply choose normal. Now, as you already aware of underlying layer from blending option, you can easily use that method. So how you can do that? You simply just double click here and sliding, you need to slide the underlying layer from here. Once the black color is getting appear, you just simply need to, 1 second, break the layer. Yeah, now it looks good. Now you can change any color. For example, green, red, any color you want to select, you can select. If you want to select white also, it will work. So that's way you can change any black color to any other color. Now in this photo, the subject is wearing the red color t-shirt and we are going to change this red color using hue saturation. Let me create a copy of the background layer. Yeah. Now from here you need to choose hue saturation. You can see a slider has already opened. Now from here, this hand tool icon, you need to click and sample this red color. Now if you change the color bar from here, you can see the color is getting changed. So let me first choose this color. That's one kind of sky, I can say, mix of a sky and a little bit of green. But the problem is here, the background, the skin tone, everything gets affected. So you can select and then change the hue saturation. That is also a method, but in this case you can simply subtract the skin tone using this slider. So our skin tone has yellow and red color. So if I simply reduce red and yellow from this slider, then it will get reduced. So this slider denote which color is getting affected. That means you can see here also in this portion, I can see yellow and red is selected. So let me decrease it. You need to do slowly. You can see the skin texture is getting visible slowly. Yeah. Now you need to slide this bar also. Yeah. You can see it's perfectly gone now. Now you can choose any color depending on your choice. It won't affect the skin tone. So this is the easiest way to change any color from the dress which have already a color. It's not a white or black, it has already a color. If that kind of dress you have, you can easily change it. So thanks for watching today's video. I hope you will like my content. Please do subscribe and share this content to everyone. Your support is needed. It will motivate me and encourage me to create a new content for you. I will come with a new topic next day. Till then, keep learning and keep editing.